And you think that the corporate entities should have behaved like that? क्योंकि उनकी factories चल रही थी, उनकी distribution चल रही थी, लेकिन उनके head offices सबके वो work from home
We
थे.
sit in a building जहाँ पे बहुत सारे head offices, बहुत सारी companies के used to be complete. They used to be completely empty. अब फिर
Ah, that's right. Dolmen is the headquarters for a lot of companies.
1-1.5 साल के बाद कुछ हुआ भी तो फिर वो 2 दिन पे शुरू हुआ, फिर वो हुआ. So again, but again, I'm saying probably that was the right thing to do. I'm not saying this, right? That was probably the right thing to do at that time. But why did they only apply
To the co-head offices.
head offices? That was my.
Because, I mean, maybe the answer is because they had to show that they were doing something and they couldn't do it in a factory because you need the worker in the factory, you need the delivery driver, you need the stockist, the merchandiser, you need the salesperson, you know what I mean? But yeah, you don't need these people. So, मेरे लिए, I will look at it slightly differently. I might say that it opened our eyes, at least my eyes, to realizing, do I really need... So we have about 8,000 square feet of real estate. Okay, we've got, let's say, about 100 people. Do I really need all 100 people to show up here? Because we're not a factory. We are creating, this is all we need. We need a laptop. So if I don't need them and I can give them a wireless device and I can give them a good desk and a chair and I can invest in that कि ये लो यार मैं तुम्हारा 50-60 हज़ार रुपये इन्वेस्ट करता हूँ, तुम्हारे घर पे एक अच्छी स्टडी एरिया बनती है, अब घर पे बैठ के तुम काम करो, ना पेट्रोल का खर्चा, ना 2 घंटे तुम्हारे ज़ाया हो रहे हैं आने जाने में, तुम बैठ के क्रिएट करो. हाँ, ऑफिस है, डेस्क नहीं है, एक कि मिंगल करना है, लोगों से मिलना है, टीम बॉन्डिंग करनी है, कुछ लंच करना है, यस दैट्स अवेलेबल फॉर यू. But you can work from home.
But that's a different thing altogether. No? That was the realization a lot of people had. Even
Right.
we did, everybody did. कि यार, okay, now physically you don't have to be present.
You don't.
I think the business became far more productive.
Agreed.
Far more efficient because of this.
Right.
Because एक वो कभी किया नहीं था try. Right? Started for the first time use Zoom and
Yeah.
started having Teams meetings, virtual meetings. So all of that is great. So I'm not denying any of that. That should exist. That should always exist. I think productivity has increased a lot because of that. बट मैं तो एक बात आपसे ही कर रहा हूँ कि इफ़ द ऑफिस वॉज एट 50% कैपेसिटी लेट्स से और 3 days a week, that should have been across the organization.
So the factory should have been at 50% capacity. The store should have been at 50% capacity.
So stores तो बंद हो जाते थे ना 2-3 हफ्ते में.
Stores तो right.
टाइमिंग कम हो गए थे, सब कुछ हो गए थे. उसमें भी बड़ा अजीब था, like इधर जब डॉल्मन मॉल की बात करें, it used to be shut on Saturday Sundays because of सैटरडे संडे को कोविड होता था. सो बट मुझे याद है एक वो हुआ था, आई डोंट नो इफ यू रिमेंबर दैट कोई बेचारा कोई पानी का जहाज था जो इधर आ गया था अबाउट कोविड.
हाँ सीवी पे जो आ गया था ड्रिफ्टेड. यस.
एंड एट दैट टाइम आई यूज्ड टू साइकिल. एंड I couldn't cycle that weekend because there were about 30,000-40,000 or 20,000 people
who
but the businesses were shut.
But the businesses were shut.
So
नहीं, ये बड़ा interesting. इसमें this reminds me of a phrase I will never forget. So I was running a TV channel for a while. तो TV channel में मेरा जो distribution का head था, वो एक दिन आके मुझसे कहता है कि देखें जी, वो हमने केबल ऑपरेटर से बात की है और 3-4 लोगों ने जो बात की है ना, वो ये कहा है कि देखें ये फैसले जो है ना, ये ठंडे कमरों के फैसले हैं. एंड आई पॉज्ड फॉर अ सेकंड. आई सेड ठंडे कमरों के अच्छा, तो यानी कि एसी चल, अच्छा ओके, यू आर इम्प्लाइंग दैट ये वाले फैसले जो हैं दिस बड़े सेठ लेते हैं, ये नीचे कारकुन जो केबल ऑपरेटर्स जो लाइनमैन होते हैं, ये उनके फैसले नहीं होते हैं. एंड आई थिंक कोविड में भी व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज कि ये ठंडे कमरों के फैसले थे दैट पुट सर्टेन पीपल लेस एट रिस्क व्हाइल नॉट वरीइंग अबाउट द अदर्स.
To me, that didn't work. That didn't make the cut.
What have you done differently since to take it forward in your company?
So as I said, that whole mindset of a closed room.
And that's where you broke the wall.
That's where I broke. No.
So it's not just a physical wall you broke. You broke the barrier
and
of...
That changed everything. Any sort of, no place to sort of advise anybody or to give. But if an entrepreneur asks me, okay, what is one thing they should do, I would say never ever sit in a closed room. That is the end of it.
Can glass count?
Nope.
I should get rid of all of this.
because a closed room will do you. You haven't been to our office recently, but in my office I have my table and I have a meeting room and I have a meeting table.
Right.
Except for the board meeting that I do once in 3 months, I've not had a single meeting in the boardroom.
Right.
या एक और एक होती है हमारी जो एक उधर होती है.
Right.
Any discussion I have it in my room in the meeting table with an open about 40 foot का open वो with people sitting about 30 foot दूर.
Right.
And I have open discussions,
Hmm.
right? Because I feel the पूरी जो organization में एक बात होती है ना कि that whole जो about the organization, because I went through a lot of negativity at that time. There was a fantastic and yet a horrible time. Like, there was so much negativity about the brand. There was so much negativity about जो एक पूरी खादी की स्ट्रैटेजी थी. एंड एज आई सेड, लेकिन मुझे लगता था उस टाइम पे लोग तो वेट कर रहे थे कि यार अब आगे आप इस पे करते हैं बात, ठीक है. सो एंड आई सेड ऑल ऑफ दिस happens because when you start having these meetings in closed rooms.
Yeah.
The minute you will do this, यार ये नहीं वर्क कर रहा, जोर से बोलो, कोई बात ही नहीं होगी. बिकॉज होता ही है कि कोई गुजरते हुए एक लफ्ज सुन लेता है आपको, ठीक है, एंड देन दे स्टार्ट
फिर वो जोड़ने लगते हैं
स्टोरीज.
That's true.
एंड दैट किल्ड अ लॉट ऑफ इस तरह की जो नेगेटिव न्यूज़ एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस. एंड आई थिंक द होल कल्चर ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैज इम्प्रूव्ड. So I was talking to somebody who sits very close to my office, right? And he was just telling me about 2 weeks back. He worked for an MNC before, and he said कि उसमें जो होता था, like हम कहीं गए हुए थे, right? So we were in fact at Colette or Zandvoort or something. अब वापसी में मैंने कहा यार मेरे पास गाड़ी नहीं है, तुम्हारी गाड़ी में चलूँगा. So I just had in his car. And he said कि जो एक फ़र्क है ना कि वहाँ पे हर एक का एक अलग किसी कंपनी का बता रहा था कि जहाँ काम किया है उसकी वो जगह भी अलग थी, उसकी लिफ्ट भी अलग थी, उसमें कोई जा नहीं सकता था. अगर लिफ्ट खराब हो गई तो उस लिफ्ट को फिर भी यूज़ नहीं कर सकते थे. सो कहते हैं देन वी सी ऑल ऑफ दिस ओवर हियर दैट इज सो easily accessible. I think that sort of motivates people so much because that room मैं आपसे बात कर रहा था would be good for you, right? But look at it
from their perspective.